This video is designed to offer installation guidelines of Troldtekt panels on a suspended ceiling grid. Firstly, ensure your Rondo suspended ceiling grid has been installed in consultation with the supplier's installation guidelines. Next, you can attach your furring channels. First, make sure the spacing covers 300 mm around the perimeter, and the rails are 1200 mm in length to allow the Troldtekt panels to fit. Next, attach the Rondo top rail 127 to the suspension hook using Rondo suspension clip 124. Then attach the furring channels onto top rail 127 using Rondo clips 609. To establish how many ceiling tiles you need, the best approach is to work it out in sections. Divide your entire ceiling into 4 and then divide again until you have the accurate number of ceiling tiles required. The recommended installation approach is to install the first panel in the center of the ceiling. Panels can then be installed along the center axis. The remaining panels can then be built out from this center line. Troldtekt panels come in a variety of sizes. If needed, they can also be cut to size prior to attaching to the furring channels using a circular saw or Makita plunge saw kit. Before attaching the panels, you will need to measure the positioning of the Troldtekt screws into the panels. Troldtekt screws should be spaced 25 mm from the edge of each ceiling panel. Once screw spacing has been measured, use the Troldtekt screws to attach the panels directly into the furring channel. Screws should be spaced no more than 600 mm apart. Your installation is complete. For information on painting, maintenance and care of your Troldtekt panels, please visit himmel.com.au.